Hi kids, have you ever wondered how your microwave works? Well, it has to do with physics. Physics is the science that describes matter, energy, space, and time at the most fundamental level. Why is physics important? It helps us to understand how some of the devices work, or even to get to know the laws that rule the universe, like gravity. It also makes us to take advantage of natural resources.
Physics, physics is used in many different areas, such as math, medicine, architecture, computer science, engineering, as well as pharmacy. For example, in medicine, there is a department in many hospitals that is dedicated to researching to create advances in radiology, radiotherapy, as well as other things. In architecture, physics is used to understand how to make buildings or whatever you're creating so it's safe and it won't collapse on itself. In engineering, physics is a great part of the career since the point of engineering, in a sense, is to use physics and math to explain the universe around us and many other things.
Physics has different branches. It mainly focuses on the classical physics and the modern physics. For now, the classical has, apart from the traditional forces such as motion and gravitation, it has mechanics, which are the foundation of modern physics. It deals with physical properties of solid objects. You get to learn how a pendulum swings before it stops, or how your car brakes work. There's also thermodynamics. This is a physics of heat, working with systems such as gas, solid, or liquid, and can even change phases. Optics, study of life. Electromagnetism is the electric current. What happens when a proton or an electron charges move close or they move apart? There is also acoustics, which studies sound waves such as ultrasounds, sonars, etc. There's a lot of branches for modern physics, such as quantum physics, which is for the 20th and 21st century, cosmology, that studies the entirety of the universe, geophysics, which studies the physical properties of Earth, atomic physics, which studies the physical properties of an atom, etc.
Technology is a branch of knowledge that deals with the creation and use of technological means and their interrelation with life, society, and the environment. One of the greatest contributions from Mexico to the world is the color TV, in which, through the study of optics, we can combine the light and color to obtain color TV.
Satellite sends and receives signal waves in order to connect with other technological devices, like the cell phone.
Another invention is artificial intelligence, which has the branch of mechanics. Because thanks to the robots and their mechanisms, they can help us nowadays.
The concept of the whole person is to be in a state where you are not seeking out pieces from others to fill or make up for holes in your life, because you have feel or are feeling them. You have to be emotionally whole, physically whole, and spiritually whole. Another concept is to challenge ourselves to strive for a proper balance in all aspects of our lives, meaning learning to balance our work, our lives, and our successes.
Internet is a very useful tool nowadays. It doesn't just help us to communicate with people on the other side of the world, but it helps us search for information easier and faster than before.
Another invention that we consider important is the cell phone, because we can communicate with other people and we can know about our surroundings. It makes tasks easier, such as doing mathematical equations with a calculator or reading your news and such.
The system of computerized topography can be used in medicine and odontology. It uses an algorithm that corrects the anomalies and problems in topography images, and it has much better visualization and exactitude when locating a tumor or affected area. This helps the doctor know where exactly he has to operate to minimize the damage to the patient.